Heritage Fire is the nation's only hyper-local, whole animal, live fire outdoor cooking event where we cook over 3,000 pounds of heritage breed animals in celebration of pasture diversity and family farming.
Back to the basics, you know, just cooking something outdoors over some logs.
Quality meat, salt, and fire. That's pretty much the best way to cook something.
No doubt that this is one of the premier fire events in the country right now, and it's screaming beautiful elegance, wine country, and just about everything made with purpose and passion.